Welcome everyone, this is Alex Burke from the Salem Museum and Historical Society. And for this week's installment of Around Town, a historic video tour of Salem, we're here standing in front of Salem City Hall on Broad Street. Many people don't realize that this is actually the first public high school in Salem. Founded in 1912 to take students away from the overcrowded Academy Street School, Salem High School on Broad Street served the white students of Salem 9 years before another school was built for African Americans, but that's a story for another time. In Salem's high school's early years, they experienced a tremendous amount of success in the sports of basketball and football. 3 years in a row, in 1916, 1917, and 1918, they won basketball state championships, to go along with another state championship in football in 1917. They're really starting off Salem's strong sports history in the 19-teens and throughout the 20th century. Salem experienced a massive population boom following World War I, and this put a tremendous amount of pressure on the local school board to expand Salem High School. So a renovation was completed in 1920 that added several different classrooms, along with different subjects like home economics, courses in agriculture, and courses in office studies. Salem wasn't quite done growing though. In 1923, they put a renovation up on the third floor that gave them a gymnasium and an auditorium. In the following year, the graduating class in 1924 is the first group of students to graduate from Salem High School with a cap and gown. Salem High School would survive the Roaring '20s, but disaster struck in 1931 when the night before exams, a fire broke out mysteriously. And outside of some office files and the sports equipment, the entire school was destroyed. This put a tremendous amount of pressure on the local school board to build a new modern high school, and this resulted in the construction of Andrew Lewis High School in 1933. That's going to conclude. Today, Salem High School serves, the old Salem High School on Broad Street serves as City Hall for the community. That's going to conclude it for this week's episode though. Thank you all so much for tuning in. This was Alex Burke from the Salem Museum and Historical Society. I'll see you next time around town.